Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to effortlessly design stunning dashboards for Power by harnessing the power of Figma's templates and customization tools. By the end of this video, you'll be able to whip up polished, professional dashboards in a fraction of the time it takes to design from scratch, and you'll know exactly how to make those designs truly your own. Let's dive right in. First off, if you've ever made a dashboard from a blank page, you know just how time-consuming it can be, from figuring out color schemes to aligning every little visual element. But here's the beauty. Figma actually offers a vast range of templates and tools just waiting to save you time and effort, all without sacrificing creativity or quality. To get started, we'll jump into Figma and head over to the community area, which is where all those templates and assets live. The search bar is your friend here. Just type in Power By. Give it a second, and you'll see all sorts of ready-made dashboard templates pop up, designed specifically to fit Power By's layout and visual language. If you're new to templates, think of them as blueprints. The hard work of structure and style is already laid out for you, so you can focus on tweaking details that will make your dashboard unique. Now scroll through the available options and pick one that catches your eye. Maybe you prefer something sleek and modern, or maybe a more data-heavy look fits your project. It's completely up to you. Once you've spotted that perfect design, click to open it directly in Figma. This is the fun part. With the template open, you can start customizing. Every element from colors and typography to the placement of charts and icons is totally adjustable. Don't worry if this part takes a little while. Personalization is where your dashboard begins to shine. Maybe you want your company's brand colors as the theme, or you need to add specific KPIs and widgets relevant to your audience. Just select any object on the template and adjust it as you like. If you've ever decorated a room or customized your phone background, it's the same principle. The foundation is there. Now you add your personality. Once you finish tailoring the dashboard, maybe you've swapped fonts, rearranged charts, or adjusted the color palette, you're ready to move your new design into Power By. With Figma, you can simply copy your final design. Then head over to your Power By workspace and paste it in as part of your project. Figma designs can act as a high-fidelity guide or even be imported as images, depending on your Power By setup. If it feels a bit awkward the first time, don't worry, it gets smoother every time you do it. And the best part, since you worked from a template, you still had complete creative freedom but saved tons of setup time. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to unlock the best of both Figma and Power By, letting you create beautiful, professional dashboards in record time. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button to let me know. Got questions or a tip to share? Drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'm always happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.